Hola, hola, hola. ¿Qué tal, mis estimados, queridos amigos? Welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. That's right, that's me. I'm Mr. Brigs. I'm a qualified registered Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Today's video is entitled How to Say What a Shame in Spanish. What's what a shame in Spanish? We're just about to discover, but before that, click that red button and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every week. Okay, so if you want to say what a shame in Spanish, you would have to say qué lástima. Qué lástima. Qué lástima. Repeat after me. Qué lástima. What a shame. If you want to say what a shame that you couldn't come or you couldn't make it, you would say qué lástima que no pudiste venir. Qué lástima que no pudiste venir. Qué lástima que no pudiste venir. Otro ejemplo. What a shame that we can't travel. Qué lástima que no podamos viajar. Qué lástima que no podamos viajar. What a shame that we can't travel. Qué lástima que no podamos viajar. Siguiente, next one. What a shame we missed out on all the fun. Qué lástima que nos perdimos la diversión. Qué lástima que nos perdimos la diversión. One more time. Qué lástima que nos perdimos la diversión. That one's a bit harder, but with a bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it. What a shame you didn't win. Qué lástima que no ganaste. Qué lástima. What a shame que no ganaste. What a shame you didn't win. Qué lástima que no ganaste. Let's review. What a shame. Qué lástima. Qué lástima. Repeat after me. Qué lástima. One more time. Una vez más. Qué lástima. Qué lástima. Don't forget that practice makes perfect. Now I'm going to talk to you in Spanish. Qué lástima que no he subido muchos videos recientemente. Qué lástima porque tengo muchas ideas, pero me falta el tiempo. He estado muy ocupado. Suscríbete a mi canal, subo videos todas las semanas. Muy bien, my amigos, don't forget to click the red button, subscribe, and have a look at my videos. I got more than 400 videos for you to learn and practice your Spanish. You can enhance your vocabulary, perfect your pronunciation, and so much more. Have a look at my playlist. I'm sure you'll find some really good videos that you'll enjoy. Okay, my dear amigos, por favor, cuídate, take care. And yes, I'm finally doing a face reveal that is coming up in less than 2 weeks. This time, actually, as I said to you, I appear on Don Francisco's CNN program. I'm the second one on the first row at the top. I posted the picture in the community tab, so I hope I didn't scare anyone. Anyway, hope to make a better connection with you, but as I said, as of next week or the week after, I'll start appearing on most of my videos. Have a lovely day, my dear amigos. Take care, and I hope to see you here very soon. Check my other videos. Adios.